Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a medium-rare steak using an easy method. Achieving a perfect medium-rare doneness is simpler than you might think, and it results in a wonderfully tender and juicy steak every time. We'll cover everything from selecting the right cut to the final resting period, ensuring your steak is cooked to perfection. Get ready to impress your friends and family with your newfound steak cooking skills. Now let's talk about searing, which is crucial for developing that incredible flavor and crust. You'll want a very hot pan, so make sure it's smoking before adding your oil. Once the oil shimmers, carefully place your seasoned steak in the pan. Sear each side for about 2 to 3 minutes, creating a beautiful, caramelized crust that locks in all those delicious juices. Don't overcrowd the pan if cooking multiple steaks. After searing, we'll finish the steak in the oven to ensure even cooking throughout. Transfer your steak to a preheated 375-degree Fahrenheit oven. Cook it for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until its internal temperature reaches 125 degrees Fahrenheit for a perfect medium rare. For an extra touch of richness, you can baste the steak with melted butter, fresh garlic, and a sprig of rosemary during the last minute. This adds incredible aroma and flavor. The final and arguably most important step is resting your steak. Once it's out of the oven, immediately transfer it to a cutting board. Do not cut into it right away. Allow the steak to rest for a minimum of 5 to 10 minutes. This crucial resting period allows the internal juices to redistribute evenly throughout the meat, resulting in a much more tender, flavorful, and juicy steak when you finally slice into it. Enjoy your perfectly cooked medium rare steak.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.